peeps, friends, and fans, and welcome to our channel, Mama and Meadow. My name is Debbie, D-E-B-Y, one B and a Y, aka Mama, M-A-M-M-A with two M's, and my Russian rescue dog, Meadow. As you can see, she has 4 paws and 0 interest in this channel. We'll have to insert her picture as usual. Today's video, I'm just going to go over yet again another update. So many things have been going on, and like my videos are on and off and on and off, but just to give you an update, in the last year or so, I did actually buy a cabin in North Carolina, and I'm currently downsizing from my 30-foot motorhome, which I absolutely love, into a cargo van. So I will put the link below to the tour of the RV, which I'm selling. I still don't have the cargo van yet. I'm going to be going to Colorado soon to have it built out, but I do have a tour video, if you will, of the RV, this motorhome here, that I'm going to be selling. It's going to be bittersweet because I do actually love this 30-foot motorhome, but there's so many things that are in here that I just don't use. Love the storage, but the more times I clean it out, the more I fill it up with more crap that I don't need. And also because we kind of have the West Coast left to do. We did the East Coast and we did the central states. And I want to go to a lot of the national parks. And a lot of the national parks don't allow anything bigger than 25 feet. And I'm such a lazy RVer. I don't want to level. I don't want to hook things up. And I don't have a tow vehicle. So I'm going to get the cargo van, which, I can fit in a parking spot and just get out, go, hike, do parks, take Meadow, wherever we're going to go. And so that is our plan for now. So this could just be a short video. Just explain a few things. Like I said, I'm going to be having a tour video, and I'm going to continue posting the videos of our previous few years, if you will. I've been doing this for 2 years now. Previous locations and harvest hosts and all that other stuff. So you will probably see some of our cargo van, when that gets done, adventures, also with the not old, but previous places that we visited. I'm going to do those. I'm probably hopefully going to change the format of what I do. I mean, now I kind of do me in the beginning and then roll tape, and it shows what we've seen and where we've gone. So if you like this video and you want to come join us and see all our little adventures from the past few years and the future couple of years, and then I will also sometime, somewhere, put in my log cabin, which is going to be my retirement home. It is currently an Airbnb, so it's rented out while we're gone, and so I don't live there full-time yet. So I will sometime do a tour of that and show you. I didn't exactly take a lot of filming of me doing things, but I'll show you before and after if I have those pictures. So please, if you don't mind, like, share, subscribe, and like I said, join us on our adventures of Mama, that's me, and Meadow, little doggy who's never on camera. Hope to see you there.